This is the female ward. Backside is the male ward.
How many doctors do you
Doctors, we have 7 medical.
that is the emergency?
Yeah, those doctors manage here and work. Don't want us.
Temperature is check करने blankets explain your medium on blankets these are all good blankets why you are trying to like the sound of the cool and all this is called affection has to provide all these and who's your technical person? What are you technical? You're just how many patients will I see?
So there are 60 patients totally, sir. They come twice a week and 12 machines are running. One machine is set separately for certain cases.
Small and fishery units. No, I don't have to tell you. I have to do a surprise check. I just landed and I came here just now to see what is going on. Obviously, you know, I didn't
Yes, sir. There were 7. They are born doctors.
Born doctors will give you alternative born doctors. We make it 10. Okay. Hello. Morgan, we do official these things separately. Because I just landed. So when I was landing, I thought I just come. I want to just see what is going on. Otherwise, what happened? No, I come back. I know what is going on.